Hi there, this is Mission 2 of Summer Reading Club 2020 at the Powell River Public Library. Planetary Poetry. Let's go! I'm going to use this photo of Jupiter as inspiration. I like to start by noting down all the colors that I can see in the picture. For example, I saw blue, turquoise, orange, brown, and gray. After this, I note down all the things that look like the picture. I wrote down storm, oil slick, ice cream, fog, and cotton candy. Next, we're going to write down what the picture makes you feel. I thought the picture would feel like cold water vapor on my skin and sound like the wind blowing. Now you're ready to start writing your poem. Feel free to take a look at the examples included if you get stuck. An equally important part of poetry is reading your poems. I'm going to leave you with Andrea Layne's reading of her poem, Planet B.
I may have to refer to my notes every once in a while, but welcome. Thank you for gathering here today. So, Planet B, Planet B, Planet B. Let me describe her once again. And you can read along from the brochure if you wish as I go along. Twice the size of Earth. Fantastic amount of saltwater oceans, fresh rivers, lakes, glaciers, etc., vast mountain ranges, rich forests, and on and on and on and on. In the northern hemisphere, there's 3 million islands of varying sizes, from sparse to lush. In the southern hemisphere, and one insanely, certainly by Earth standards, supercontinent, super. Think of an ecosystem, it's there. Imagine an ecosystem, it might be there. Planet B, my God, I mean, relatively limitless resources, pardon me. Oil, natural gas, gold, silver, diamonds, timber, meat, fresh, clean air and water, endless lands if cleared you could plant coffee or sugar, you name it, cattle, factories, anything. I mean, the Candyman can, untold fortunes. So anyway, let me go on. Herein lies this is important, this is the caveat that I am, caveat, that I'm obliged to share. So even though I've used Earth words and ideas to describe Planet B, there's a palpable otherness permeating everything. So much larger than Earth, for one, so differently configured. I mean, even the seasons function differently. Same but different, different but same. The creatures of land and sea and earth, land, resemble Earth counterparts, but they're alien. They're perfect for Planet B. Plants, insects, chemistry, biology, geology, all the ologies, all the same, but different. Not same. It'll take a minute of getting used to, I'm sure, but so, segue here, elephant in the room. By the way, on Planet B, elephants can sometimes glide for short distances. This could be problematic, but also awesome. So, right, gliding elephant in the room. This is the sticky part of the stick. But, so, yes, there are a few more advanced inhabitants that to some degree also have similar but different counterparts on Earth. But as discussed on page 11 of the brochure, is it page 11? Yes, page 11 of the brochure. We have teams in place to nullify any such, let's call it local dissent, and to secure the asset. Put any worries out of your head. My teams will guarantee as seamless a transition as possible. Trip protocols, algorithms aside, space travel is like day surgery these days, you know? Please, I insist, focus on the arrival. Let us worry about the trip and any minor obstacles. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Planet B, as is, which is without measure. Without further ado, I declare this an auction. So, bid to start at priceless. Yes, Mr. Interest Group number 27, Meat and Human Resources. Ooh, yes, sir. Very nice bid indeed. And who will raise on that? Oh, very impressive, madam. May I say I'm a very big fan. So embarrassed to be in your presence. So now do I hear a counter?